GPT-5 is here. Today, I'm going to show you some powerful, practical, and just downright fun ways to use GPT-5. And I'm going to give you the exact prompts that I use for free. Let's get into it. So number one, creative workflows. Use GPT-5 as your creative partner for content, ads, and scripts. Here's our example prompt. You're a creative director for a coffee brand. Write 3 Instagram captions that are short, witty, and drive urgency to buy our new espresso blend. Now, some fun things we can add here is include a content calendar for the next week with 2 post ideas per day. And then something to try is to generate an image prompt for a cozy coffee shop scene in autumn. And we will also add this because why not? And look how quick this is. It is insane how quick this is. And this is just scratching the surface. You can use it to copyright practically any medium, right? It's all up to your imagination here. So 7-day espresso launch content calendar. And we didn't even ask, but it can also create an engagement hooks. Please do also provide 1 example image for each idea. Generate them now. And it's that simple. So we're gonna, for the sake of today's demo, we're gonna keep this short and brief for each one. Now, let's move on to our second topic. Now, number 2, automation. I'd like to play off of our first prompt. And we're gonna create a weekly social media posting calendar for my coffee brand, including captions, hashtags, and image ideas for Instagram and TikTok. Now, you could go a little more in depth and start using the agent. I highly recommend you do. And just like that. Gives us some tips. So let your imagination wander here. What is your business? What is your brand? What do you do on a weekly basis that you wish you can automate? Tell ChatGPT to do so, and you'll be surprised at the results and how quickly it does everything for you. Now, moving on to coding and technical help. This one's fun. Building prototypes or even fixing code, even if you're not technical. This example prompt is going to create a landing page. Super simple for a free ebook. Now, we're not going to deploy it. I just want to show you how easy it is to create that landing page and preview that code using ChatGPT-5. Now, let's create a new chat just to keep things nice and fresh. And let's actually add We don't really need to add that. We'll keep this simple. Now, a little teaser, I do have a video planned to do a side-by-side comparison with GPT-5 and Claude Code within Cursor. And I'm still structuring that prompt and that idea, but it's going to be a pretty nifty website, and we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison to see A, how efficient is GPT versus Claude, and B, what's the output look like? And C, obviously, what's my favorite? So stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss when we upload that video. Now look at this. It's already writing the code for us. Now, it should convert this to a Canvas page, and if it doesn't, I will ask it to. It's one little trick. But it's getting to work. I'll be honest, it's not as quick as I thought it would be, to be honest, but still quicker than a human. And I think I'm just spoiled with all of these AI agents that I've been testing and using every single day, that looking at how, looking at its current pace, I'm honestly surprised. This is no shade on GPT-5 whatsoever. One little thing I can't wait for them to implement is for you to just hit enter so that it sets it in a queue and it'll automatically prompt. That's one little kind of like little thing that Claude Code, you can just keep typing as it's working and it will reference whatever you type after it's done with its current task. Oh, and it's already doing it for us. I didn't even have to hit enter there. Wonderful. Okay, let's run the code and check out this preview. Look at that. Ooh, it actually looks really good. I did not know what to expect here. Nice accordion fact section. Basic links. You know, one thing we can improve is making sure it gives you the visual icons. But this was how easy it was to create a landing page if I were to create a free ebook. Wow, I gotta say, I am very impressed with the layout. I love how it looks. I love how it feels. I love how above the fold, you have your hook. You have key details. This, I believe, needs some improvement. But then this right here, send me the ebook. I mean, and then scroll to learn more if you want. But right above the fold, you get everything you need. And then the cool little accordion fact section, that's always a nice detail when you don't ask for it. I've noticed sometimes you have to ask for it when you're building something. Wow, impressive. All right, let's move on to learning and research. Now, this is for anybody going through university, anybody wanting to kind of learn something new and don't want to go through traditional school systems. And also for parents, use this for your kids. You can turn GPT-5 into your personal tutor, not only for your kids, but for you too, so you know what you're teaching your kids. Here's the example prompt. Explain quantum computing in plain English for a 12-year-old using a cooking analogy. And then we're gonna definitely add this 5-day plan here. Oh, let's just grab that. Looks like it didn't. Interesting. Why is it pulling all that code? There we go. Looks like when you copy paste that entire box, it didn't like that. Then we're going to create a 5-day study plan with short quizzes each day. I mean, how quick is this? What? I'm blown away with how quick this is. Bits versus qubits. Understand the basic ingredient first. What a bit is, 0 or 1. What a qubit is, can be 0 or 1 or both. Analogy, salt, pepper versus magical salt, pepper mix. Quiz, what's the smallest data unit in a normal computer? Can a qubit be both? Okay, cool. So it has, kind of like, the structure is kind of funky, right? But the fact that it pumped this out so quick is insane. You can apply this to any topic, any type of study, and quiz yourself or your kids. So moving on to entertainment and personal use. Now, this is all about making life a little more fun and personal with AI. Let's plan a three-day trip to Lisbon. I like that. We're gonna do breakfast, lunch, and dinner spots and hidden gem for each day. And then why not suggest a playlist for this trip with upbeat, sunny songs. Interesting. We didn't ask. We didn't ask for an image, but it gave us an image. So that is interesting. Very, very interesting. I love how it references where it finds it. Lunch, Timeout Market. Timeout Market's a great place. They have a bunch of different stalls there with a whole bunch of different local cuisine. Dinner, okay, interesting. I love how quick this was. Wow. I mean, does it get any better than this? Can it get any better than this? I'm sure it can, but with how quick this was, and let me do a bonus for the parents out there. Plan a 3-day trip to Lisbon for food lovers. Make sure everything is kid-friendly for a 18-month-old and a 3-year-old. So now it's going to plan the same trip, but keep in mind that you have a baby and a toddler on your hands. I'm not sure if a baby is still a baby at 18 months, but you see my point. 18-month-old and a 3-year-old. And you can see here, some of the recommendations are the same, some are different. And I think here the key word is they're looking for kids menus. And then rent a vintage tram for a fun ride. You know, kids will love this type of, it's amazing that it's able to do this. And it did it in less than 30 seconds. I mean, I didn't time it, but this is insanely quick. So check out ChatGPT. I hope you found some value from this video. I wanted to keep it as short and brief as possible, but provide as much value as possible. So let me know what your favorite use case is based off of this list, and maybe something I didn't discuss. Maybe you have a question. Let me know. I'm here to make content for you. I'm here to help make AI simple and easy to use. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video around a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo, this is Clearmud, and clarity matters.